Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with a simple power reset to eliminate transient faults. Unplug the charger and remove the battery if the battery is removable. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge residual power. Disconnect all peripherals including USB drives and external displays. Wait 2 minutes before reconnecting power and restarting the laptop. Try a cold boot by holding power for 10 seconds and then pressing power again. Observe whether the caps lock LED blinks or the screen shows any sign of life. If the screen stays black, watch the caps lock LED for blink patterns. Count the blinks and pause to map a hardware error to that pattern. Many laptops use blink codes to indicate RAM or keyboard faults. Power down and unplug before you open the chassis. Remove and reseat RAM modules carefully, cleaning contacts with compressed air or an eraser. Test each RAM stick alone in the primary slot to isolate a bad module. Also try an external USB keyboard to bypass an internal keyboard fault. If hardware checks pass, verify firmware and display output next. Connect an external monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort and switch displays with the laptop key combination. If the external monitor shows BIOS or desktop, update or reinstall the display driver in safe mode. Create a Windows Recovery USB to access startup repair or system restore if needed. If the board may have corrupted settings, remove the CMOS coin cell for 2 minutes to reset BIOS. Reconnect battery and boot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.